Now he's going to reset the play clock. Not that Ravenwood needed that. Parsons throws, a little bubble screen to the right side. Breaks one tackle. He's able to get upfield, maybe a gain of about 3 yards. We'll see where they mark it. Here's the replay.
It's a bubble screen like we tried to run a while ago. Parsons raises up, throws it to the outside. So he's got that one blocker. If he can get back past that guy, oh, good job closing. Good job by Brentwood closing on that.
Irvin, the receiver on that catch. 3rd down, and this is about 6 yards. Parsons throws it out here in the flat. Oh! At first I thought he was going for the ball, but he took the man. Incomplete, and for the first time tonight, the Raptors are going to be forced to punt.
You'll see Parsons left this receiver pretty much out to dry. Threw the ball high.
And he never looks that corner off, does he, Corky? Oh, I think the receiver saw the Brentwood defender
he might
coming.
have been peeking just a little bit. And if he would have caught it the first time and not bounced it off his hands, he probably would have been a little bit easier for him too. But good job on the defense.
Parsons
there.
didn't do his receiver any favors by looking directly to that side. I think that's what the DB was reading. Here's the punt. It's a low punt, but it's a high punt. Nice kick. It's going to roll back close to the 30-yard line. It'll be downed at the 31. So Brentwood will take over at the 31-yard line with 3 minutes and 33 seconds to go. Down by 7, needing 7 to tie the game.
Wish we'd get a replay on that punt. I think we got really, really close to blocking that. In fact, I thought he was going to be blocked.
Yeah, I couldn't. I was obstructed with my view, and when I turned to look at the monitor, it was already downfield.
So Brentwood defense holds for the first time. That was only Ravenwood's 3rd possession in this game. Scored on their first 2, but Brentwood defense able to get off the field in that series.
White rolls to his left, throws it out here into the flat. It's complete, breaks the first tackle. I think that's Manning.
Yeah, Manning did a good job, number 1, catching the ball, but then also, as you see, gets past that first defender to pick up some extra yards.
Good gain of 8 yards.
Breaks down, shakes off the first tackler, and picks up another 2 or 3 yards.
So gain of 8 brings up 2nd and 2 for Brentwood. Clock continues to roll. We'll go under 3 minutes now remaining in the first half. And now the official will call timeout.
Well, it's been more than 2 minutes since they had a conference, so.
Either that or did he get out of bounds when he caught that pass? I didn't think he did. And that may be what they're checking, is that no indication was given to the timekeeper of him getting out of bounds, so he let the clock roll. And that is the case as they're starting the clock. Quick, across the middle and almost off the hands of the intended receiver, Kyler Green. Green looked like he turned his head to look upfield just as the ball got there, Corky. We'll see this on the replay.
Fakes the handoff back over the middle and hit Green right in the hands. Should have had it. You got to catch that football.
I'd like to see Scott Collins give a little bit more of a fake on those RPOs. Collins keeps it off the left side, gets out across the 35-yard line, and he'll have a Brentwood first down. You can definitely here's the replay, Corky.
Just that same RPO, that time off the left side. Look at him punish that defensive back.
Yeah, he runs harder when he knows he's getting the ball.
He just ran flat over Parker Corley, number 22.
He needs to run that hard on the fakes, too, because it'll help his quarterback immensely. White steps up, throws. It's complete to Walton. He had a man hanging on his back, but it's complete to the 49-yard line, and another Brentwood first down. Here's the replay, Corky.
Yeah, I've watched Walton for several years, and I'm convinced he can play somewhere on the next level. Great hands, good body, excellent athlete. You see White does a good job scrambling there a little bit. Spots Walton, Walton was coming back to him there, as you should do as a receiver when your quarterback gets flushed. So good pickup there for Brentwood.
1st and 10 Brentwood, just outside of Ravenwood territory. Minute 54 and the clock rolling. Walton again across the middle and a nice tackle. Short gain of about 2 yards. Number 3, Dudas, was the tackler on that. Made a nice job. They'll mark it at the 49-yard line, so it was a gain of 2 yards. 2nd and 8.
Dudas, not a big guy there in the middle, but solid as a linebacker. Had a big game last week.
White looking to throw. Pocket collapses, and he goes down. 45, the tackler for Ravenwood. That is Stolenworth.
Gets some pressure on the right side there. He flushes. Got to get rid of that football.
Yeah, two Brentwood offensive linemen wound up on one defender, and the other one didn't slide off to pick up Stolenworth. So it's a loss of 3 yards. They'll bring up 3rd now and 11. White looking, pressure coming. White throws. It's complete. Nice catch. That's Merrill again, and boy, he held on to that one, Corky.
Excellent catch there. Not a really big kid. That brings up 4th down. There's only 28 seconds to go in the half.
4th down and 2, and I believe coach is going to call timeout.
I believe we still have 2 timeouts left, if I'm not mistaken.
Well, you got to get the 1st down here. It's not like you have one to waste.
Well, if you get the 1st down in high school, the clock stops till they reset the chain, so
Correct.
they give you a chance to get back up to the line of scrimmage. I'd like to see them at least do something to take a shot at the end zone.
What would you do here, Cork? Tell you what I don't want to see is that tailback line up in an open backfield, empty backfield.
I think I would RPO, get the 1st down, get right back up to the line of scrimmage and go.
Seem to be having our most success off that left side. So I think I'd give that handoff to Collins going off that left side. That's the wide side of the field here.
The last thing you want to do here is throw an incomplete pass or something and
Stop the clock.
Stop the clock and give Ravenwood the football back with that kind of field position. So
Well, they have all 3 timeouts as well. So if they are able to stop them, I'm sure they'll call one. Handoff up the middle. Collins has the 1st down. In fact, he'll get out to the 36-yard line. 1st down, Brentwood.
now get up to the line of scrimmage. Come on, come on.
Yeah, they're taking their sweet time. If you're going to do that, you might as well call timeout.
You would think they'd have had the play called already
Yep.
during the previous timeout.
Pass to the Collins. Collins needs to try and get out of bounds, and he does to stop the clock. Pick up of about 7 yards. Well, no, more than that. We'll see where they mark it. But they took a lot of time off the clock there, Corky.
Yeah, I mean, why wouldn't you call that play as we watch the replay here? Why would you not call that next play during the timeout and say, hey, if we get a 1st down, this is where we're going to go.
Yeah.
So everybody's straight up to the line of scrimmage. Still, we're standing there looking over the sidelines, looking for a play call, and ate up a lot of important time.
So you got to go for the end zone here, don't you?
Yeah, there's nothing else you can accomplish.
And now we're going to take the timeout. So
It would be a 46-yard field goal attempt.
yeah, and we missed the shorter previous one, so I don't see us going for the 3. I'm going to come back, Corky, to a play that got called back for holding, and that was that pass that we threw down to the other end zone across the middle where the man was wide open.
Wide open the back of the end zone.
And if I'm not mistaken, that was number 10, Kyler Green, who caught that one. So we'll see if they're listening to us or whether we know the coaches well. 2nd and 3, but the down and distance make no matter. It's 3 seconds remaining on the clock for the first half. So this one's pretty much got to go towards.
Just get the pass off. Don't take a sack here. Take a chance. If anything, get a chance for.
There it is, down the middle. It is green, but he's not going to get enough yards to get near the end zone. Inside the 10 to the 7-yard line, and that'll be it for the first half of play. With the score, your Brentwood Bruins 7, Ravenwood Raptors 14. So Cork and I will step aside, give you a chance to listen to the bands, and we'll be back to call the second half.